Meaning of easeful.
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 Easeful. Easeful means characterized by a sense of ease or comfort, free from discomfort or hardship. It is used to describe a state of physical or mental relaxation, where there is no stress or tension. An easeful environment or situation is one that is conducive to relaxation and a general sense of well-being. People may seek an easeful lifestyle, where they can slow down and enjoy life without the constant pressure of work or other responsibilities. In essence, easeful refers to a state of peace and tranquility, where one is free to simply be.